When you think of a tile shower, what image pops into your head? It could be a sleek, modern shower with large, glossy marble tiles, or it could be a weird green bathroom with small square tiles all the way around that clearly belongs in the 70s. Tile showers have been popular for decades with their classic appeal and endless creative options. But are they the right choice for you? Hi, I'm Justin, the field supervisor in our Smart Bath division here at JSB Home Solutions. We've completed over 150 bathroom remodel projects in Central Ohio in just 2023. We've installed tile showers, we've torn out tile showers. While we no longer install tile showers, our goal is that your decision to choose tile for your bathroom shower was made after exploring the timelines, costs, advantages, and disadvantages of tile showers. Whether you choose to work with JSB for your remodel or not, at the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make an informed decision about the material you choose for your shower walls. If you want more home improvement content like this, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. First up, what exactly are tile shower walls? Tile is a versatile material used to cover surfaces in wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens. It comes in various colors, textures, sizes, shapes, and materials. The most common types of tile are ceramic, porcelain, glass, marble, and granite. Tile shower walls can be as unique as the people who use them. But what about the timeline for installing a tile shower? A tile shower with 3 walls and minimal intricate features usually takes about 3 to 5 days to install. More complex designs or smaller tiles that require additional grout can increase the installation time slightly. So when it comes to the cost of tile showers, we need to look at 2 parts: purchase and maintenance. The materials for a tile shower are relatively inexpensive, but the installation is very labor intensive. You can expect to pay between $2,100 and $17,500 for a tiled walk-in shower when all is said and done. Tile grout needs regular maintenance to prevent water damage. Resealing grout every 6 months can cost $150 to $300 if you do it yourself, or $200 to $800 if you hire a professional. Now let's talk about the advantages of tile shower walls. Number 1 is the lower material cost than other shower wall systems. Tile is one of the least expensive materials for shower walls, although installation can be pricier. Number 2 is the extensive customization that tile offers. Number 3 is that it's resistant to scratches and dents. Number 4 is that tile can withstand harsh cleaning agents and abrasives. However, tile walls also have some disadvantages. Number 1, tile is water resistant, not waterproof. Grout is porous and can allow water to seep through if not properly sealed. Number 2, tile has higher maintenance requirements than other materials. Grout needs to be resealed regularly, which can be time-consuming and very costly. Number 3, tile has longer installation times. Tile installation is very labor-intensive and takes longer than alternatives like solid surface or acrylic. One reason is that you have to wait for things like grout to dry before moving on to the next step. Number 4, tile has grout lines. Grout requires meticulous care to prevent staining and damage. So, are tile showers right for your bathroom remodel? If you love the creative freedom and durability of tile and don't mind the maintenance, tile could be a great choice for you. However, if grout lines and upkeep are a concern, consider alternatives like acrylic or solid surface shower walls, which offer no grout lines and minimal maintenance. Explore our videos on these tile alternatives to learn more. If you have more questions or want to explore your options further, schedule a free in-home consultation with JSB Home Solutions by phone or on our website. Your shower should be a place of relaxation and comfort. We're here to help you create your perfect bathroom oasis.